The next point is fifth, run test parallel using workers. So basically, Playwright provide one more way on that is a parallel testing, flexible way to run your test. So basically, it optimize your timing. So for that, there are two ways. First way is we are going to configure globally using playwright.config.js. So here we are going to define workers. So yeah, I have defined three workers over here. So basically, three browser instances opened, and each test case will be follow these three browsers. Yeah, so we will run this home page. Let me remove this at the rate sanity tag, and I am going to run this home test file, which includes four tests. So you will see over here, three browser instances will be opened. See, you will see this running four tests using three workers. See, all three browsers get opened, and which contains multiple test scripts. Basically, here one browser contains two and other remaining one respectively. So this will take long. So basically, it contains two test scripts. Here you will see all four test scripts will be passed. So total time is required 25.9 seconds. Yeah, yeah. This is the parallel testing.